Do you want to revamp your gaming space for maximum mindfulness? Welcome, friends, to a journey of transformation, where we turn your gaming space into a haven of mindfulness. The importance of a mindful gaming space cannot be overstated, offering a serene environment for optimal gaming experience. We're going to walk you through every step of the process, from decluttering your space to mindful decoration, and from setting the perfect lighting and ambiance to ensuring comfort and ergonomics. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into our first step. First things first, declutter your gaming space. Now you might be wondering, why decluttering? Well, an uncluttered environment is like a breath of fresh air. It's easier to focus, to think, to relax, and to fully immerse yourself in the gaming world when your physical surroundings are tidy. It's a fundamental step towards achieving mindfulness in your gaming space. So, where do we start? Begin by taking stock of what you have. Sort your gaming equipment into categories: controllers, games, consoles, cables, and so forth. This will give you a clear understanding of what you're working with. Next, it's time to let go. Be ruthless. If you aren't using it, if it doesn't work, or if it's just gathering dust, it's time to say goodbye. This might be the hardest part of the process, but remember, the aim is to create a space that promotes mindfulness, not a storage unit. Once you've sorted and purged, it's time to organize. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Some of you might prefer to display your favorite games on a shelf, while others might opt for storage boxes. The key is to make sure that every item has a designated place. This way, it's easy to find what you need when you need it, and it's just as easy to put it away when you're done. Don't forget about cables. They can easily become a tangled mess, causing stress and distraction, so invest in some cable management solutions. There are plenty of options out there, from cable clips to cable boxes. Choose what works best for you. Lastly, maintain. Decluttering isn't a one-time gig. It's an ongoing process. Make it a habit to put things away after use and to regularly assess what you have. This will help keep your gaming space clutter-free and your mind clear. With your space decluttered, you're ready for the next step. Now, let's move on to mindful decoration. Mindful decoration is more than just making a space look aesthetically pleasing. It's about creating an environment that fosters a sense of calm, focus, and enjoyment. When it comes to gaming, this is particularly important. After all, an inviting and comfortable space can enhance your gaming experience, making it more rewarding and less stressful. First, let's talk about color. The hues you choose for your gaming space can significantly influence your mood and level of focus. For instance, blues and greens are known to promote calmness and concentration. On the other hand, warmer tones like reds and oranges can stimulate energy and excitement. If you're looking for a balance, consider cooler neutrals like grays and whites, which can create a tranquil and clean backdrop for your gaming adventures. Next, let's discuss decor items. A mindful gaming space is one that reflects your personality and interests while also promoting relaxation and focus. Consider adding items that resonate with you on a personal level, perhaps related to your favorite games or characters. However, remember to keep it simple and uncluttered. Overloading your space with too many items can lead to distraction rather than relaxation. Another decor suggestion is the inclusion of plants. They not only add a touch of nature and aesthetic appeal to your space, but also help in purifying the air. If you're worried about upkeep, there are plenty of low-maintenance options out there, like succulents or snake plants. Don't forget about artwork. A carefully chosen piece of art can bring a whole new dimension to your gaming space. Whether it's a poster of your favorite game, a beautiful landscape, or an abstract piece, make sure it's something that inspires you and enhances your sense of calm. Lastly, consider tactile elements like a comfortable rug under your feet or a cozy throw on your chair. These can add an additional level of comfort and relaxation to your gaming space. With your space beautifully decorated, we're on to our next step. Now, on to lighting and ambiance. Lighting is more than just a practical necessity. It's a powerful factor in creating an environment that encourages mindfulness. With the right lighting, a gaming space can become a sanctuary, a place of focus and clarity. So let's delve into the world of lumens, hues, and ambience. First off, consider the type of light. Natural light is a fantastic resource, but it's not always available, especially for those late-night gaming sessions. To mimic the invigorating effects of daylight, consider using full-spectrum bulbs. They cover the entire light spectrum, providing a similar experience to natural sunlight. This can help reduce eye strain and improve your mood. Next up, task lighting. This is lighting that helps you perform specific tasks, like playing a game or reading a strategy guide. Adjustable desk lamps are perfect for this, allowing you to direct light where you need it the most. Look for an LED lamp with adjustable brightness settings to customize the light to your preference. Now let's talk mood lighting. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. RGB lighting strips are a popular choice for gamers, allowing for customization of color and intensity. These can be placed behind your monitor or around your gaming desk, creating an immersive atmosphere. But remember, while vibrant colors might look cool, softer hues are more conducive to mindfulness. Think about using a calming blue or green. Lastly, we have ambient lighting. This is the general lighting in your room. A dimmable ceiling light is a good option, giving you control over the brightness of your space. Pair this with some soft, indirect lighting sources, like floor lamps, to create a cozy, inviting environment. Lighting is a crucial element in creating a mindful gaming space. It's about finding a balance between functionality and ambiance. Experiment with different types and levels of light until you find what works best for you. With the right lighting in place, we're ready for our final step. The final step in creating a mindful gaming space is focusing on comfort and ergonomics. When we speak of comfort, we're talking about more than just a plush seat cushion. True comfort in a gaming space means creating an environment that supports long hours of gameplay while minimizing the risk of stress or injury. So let's delve into the importance of comfortable and ergonomically correct seating for gaming. Imagine playing your favorite game. You're immersed, engaged, locked in a fierce battle or solving a complex puzzle, but then your back starts to ache, your neck feels stiff, and your focus is broken. This is where ergonomics come into play. Ergonomics is the science of designing a workspace, in this case, a gaming space, to fit the user's needs. This ensures that your body is in the right posture, reducing the risk of injury or discomfort. A good gaming chair is the cornerstone of an ergonomically sound gaming setup. Look for a chair that provides excellent lumbar support and can be adjusted to suit your height. The chair should also have adjustable armrests to support your arms and reduce strain on your shoulders. But comfort and ergonomics don't stop at the chair. Consider a footrest to maintain proper posture and circulation, and a keyboard and mouse that are designed to reduce strain on your wrists. If possible, incorporate breaks into your gaming sessions. Stand up, stretch, and move around every hour or so to prevent stiffness and promote blood circulation. And remember, comfort is personal. What feels comfortable for one person might not work for another. So take the time to test different chairs, keyboards, and other accessories until you find what works best for you. Investing in comfort and ergonomics not only enhances your gaming experience, but also promotes your overall well-being. It's about creating a gaming space that cares for you as much as you care for it. With comfort and ergonomics taken care of, your mindful gaming space is ready. In conclusion, revamping your gaming space for maximum mindfulness is a simple process. It's about making your gaming environment a place where you can focus, feel at ease, and truly enjoy the games you love. Let's just recap what we've covered today. First, we looked at decluttering. Remember, a clean space is a clear mind. By removing unnecessary items and organizing your gaming equipment, you're setting the stage for a mindful gaming experience. Next, we moved on to mindful decoration. By bringing in elements that resonate with you personally, you're not just creating a gaming space, you're making it your own. Whether it's your favorite posters, action figures, or even plants, these items can add a personal touch and boost your mood. We then dove into the importance of lighting and ambiance. The right lighting can create an immersive experience, and choosing colors that you find calming can significantly improve your gaming experience. Don't forget about the power of aroma too. Consider introducing a diffuser with your favorite essential oils. Lastly, we tackled comfort and ergonomics. Your gaming chair, keyboard, mouse, and even the height of your monitor can all contribute to a comfortable and mindful gaming experience. Remember, gaming is about enjoyment, so comfort should never be compromised. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to transform your gaming space into a haven of mindfulness. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more mindful gaming videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Happy gaming!